If you're upgrading to a new SSD or replacing an older hard drive, moving your Windows system and all your files to the new drive can be a bit of a hassle. Reinstalling Windows, setting up your applications again, and transferring everything manually takes time. But instead of starting from scratch, you can simply clone your existing drive and move your entire system to the new SSD. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a super simple and powerful tool called EaseUS Disk Copy. And I've actually been using this software for quite a few years now. Whenever I need to upgrade or migrate my drives, instead of reinstalling Windows or manually copying files, this lets you clone your entire drive. I'm talking OS, apps, settings, everything. What I really like here is that it's not just fast, but also really safe to use. It actually verifies your data after cloning to make sure everything is copied perfectly. It also supports almost all disk brands and works with different types of storage devices, including SSDs and high-speed NVMe drives. So no matter what drive you're currently using or upgrading to, the software is fully compatible. So to get started, head over to the link I provided in the description or pinned comment. This will take you to this page. From here, click on Free Trial. It supports Windows 7 and above. Once the download is done, open the setup file and complete the installation process as usual. And there we go. We are on the main interface. So here on the left side, we have various options like disk mode. This will allow us to clone the entire source disk to the target disk. System mode is used to migrate the OS to a new drive. We also have partition mode, which lets us clone specific partitions instead of the whole disk. Next is the emergency disk option, which allows us to create a bootable USB to start the system if it fails to boot. And finally, there is network clone, which allows us to clone a disk or operating system from one PC to multiple computers over a local network. So now I want to clone my existing system drive to my newer SSD. Let me show you. So this is my system disk, the C drive. Now here I will connect my newer SSD to this PC as a portable USB drive. All right, now I want to migrate this entire system disk to this new drive. Everything as it is, like settings, apps, and other important data, without reinstalling Windows again because I don't want to start from scratch. So here the Windows drive is selected by default. Now select the target disk. So this is my new SSD as disk 1, which I connected via USB. You also have the option to save this as an image file so that you can load it later. Now click on Select and proceed to Next. You can even preview the partition layout. You can specify the target disk layout based on your preference. Here, it migrates the whole system disk along with the EFI boot partition. You can do a sector-by-sector copy or enable auto-alignment. Here I selected Auto Fit Disk, or you can manually edit the disk layout. Once everything is set, click on Proceed. Now we get a pop-up message saying that the data on the target disk will be erased. In my case, the SSD is new, so click on Continue. That's it. The migration process will start. This will take a couple of minutes depending on the size of the data and the apps installed on the system disk. I'll fast forward this process. Now again, I got a pop-up saying that I cloned the system disk to a USB drive. Since I connected my SSD as a portable USB drive, if you want to boot from it, you can click Yes. In my case, I'll install the cloned SSD into my new PC and boot it normally, so I'll select No. But if you are upgrading your existing PC and replacing the old drive, you can click Yes and it will restart and boot directly. Alright, it's done. Now let me show you. This entire system disk C is now migrated to my newer SSD drive. Now we want to boot this drive on a new PC. So I have attached the SSD to my computer. Now press F12, F10, or Escape, depending on your PC manufacturer, to enter the boot menu. Go to the boot options and set the boot priority to the new SSD installed on this PC. Save the configuration. This is only required for the first time. Now the system will start booting. All right, there we go. It's booted. As you can see, everything remains exactly the same as on my older drive. Now, let's check this PC. And here we go. The system is now running from my newer SSD, which is really cool. There are no errors, everything has been migrated safely without losing any data or system settings. Disk usage also looks normal, just like before. In the same way, you can explore the other features mentioned earlier. For example, if you want to move your entire system, including multiple partitions, to a new SSD, you can use disk mode. You just need to select the source disk and the target disk, and it will copy everything based on the layout. You can also copy individual partitions if needed. And yeah, that's how you can easily clone your entire system to a new SSD using EaseUS Disk Copy. It's fast, reliable, and super simple to use. Plus, it works completely offline, so your data stays private and secure. If you're planning to upgrade your drive or move your system, this is definitely one of the easiest methods out there. I've left the link in the description and pinned comment, so make sure to check it out. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.